If you're doing a search for hotels on booking.com and you're looking specifically for hotels that has breakfast included, then I'm going to quickly show you how to check those hotels that has breakfast included. So I'm going to just simply choose a location. So let's say choose Vienna as an example. I'm going to just leave all the other searches as is and click and search right here. Now, once you do that search, guys, you can quickly know if breakfast is included, or you can intentionally ensure that you search that to check it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it actually looks. I'm going to just open up a few of those websites or pages of the hotels, and we'll just see if breakfast is included. So let's open up these three and just have a look. And once you're on that page, you can easily see if breakfast is included by scrolling down, and you will see. So as you can see right here, this one does not have any breakfast included. It says that yes, it has a restaurant, but it does not contain any breakfast included, right? So it has a kitchen, it has air conditioner, but there's no breakfast included in this one. Now let's have a look at the second one. Let's scroll on here. For example, this one has breakfast included, and you can see here that it says good breakfast and it shows a little cup of tea. Now, note that we find two examples or three examples showing you that breakfast is included and breakfast is not included. Let me show you how to intentionally ensure that you get results that include breakfast. Now, on the left hand side, once you're doing a search, you can quickly go ahead and just scroll down to where you'll find options that says that if breakfast is included or not. So you want to somehow manipulate those, let's say, filters. So you want to go down to the section where it says meals, and you can see it shows breakfast included. So just go ahead and check this box here. It's going to refresh the result and only show you hotels that contains breakfast. So if I go here, you can click this one as an example and open that, and I scroll down again. Doesn't matter, let's choose another random one. These are going to both have breakfast included. So let's wait for it to load. Scroll down, see breakfast is there. Scroll down, you can see breakfast, and that's it. So if you're looking for hotels that has breakfast included, that's how you can quickly do a search and filter in booking.com to find them. Or if you're on a specific page where you like a hotel but you didn't filter it, you can quickly check on their page to see if there's a breakfast included. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.